Looking for the perfect getaway? Welcome to Balai Rubi Private Resort and Events Place in Talisay, Batangas. Start your day with a dip in our infinity pool, featuring stunning views of Taal. Whether you're taking a leisurely swim or simply lounging by the pool, the panoramic view will leave you in awe. Watch the sky transform into a canvas of colors, reflecting off the tranquil waters. Here, every moment is a postcard-worthy memory waiting to be captured. Unwind in our Kawa hot bath, where relaxation meets breathtaking scenery. As you soak in the warm, aromatic waters, let your eyes drift over the serene view of Taal Lake. Catch your breath on our scenic viewing deck. The views are unbeatable. Host your next celebration in our versatile events area, designed to accommodate any occasion with ease. Sing it loud on our karaoke machine or challenge your friends to a game of billiards. Stay entertained with darts, basketball, board games, and more. Step into our private gaming and karaoke room for a truly personalized entertainment experience. Discover the perfect retreat with our selection of beautifully appointed rooms, each offering its own unique charm and a stunning view. Whether you prefer waking up to the serene sight of Taal Lake, the lush greenery of the surrounding landscape, or a panoramic view of the sky meeting the water, we have a room that will make your stay unforgettable. Our fully equipped kitchens and spacious dining halls have everything you need to create unforgettable memories. End your day around a cozy bonfire or relax in the jacuzzi. It's your choice. As the day fades into night, our swimming pool transforms into a magical oasis under the stars. The soft glow of ambient lighting reflects off the water, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. For your convenience, we offer ample parking space that can accommodate up to 15 cars. We've got everything you need for a comfortable stay. Just bring yourself and your crew. Book your stay at Balai Rubi today. Your ultimate getaway is just a click away.